Good evening, everyone. This is Luther P40. Just giving you a small update on the EBN cell. I finally got it put together. Took me the better part of right at 3 hours to put it together. That was including cleaning all the gaskets and cleaning all the plates and cleaning the two end plates. Let me explain a couple of the variations I did from norm. I went ahead and did the water van guy in UK. He ended up alternating his plates, and I like that idea. And what that gives me is it allows me to rewire this as I see fit without having to disassemble it and rearranging the plates, so I can have access to every single terminal. But my thinking is it probably will end up being used the same way as before. The other thing is I ran my screws from the back side, or from the front side back over to the back side, so that my outlets will be over on this side. The logic being is that I'm thinking that I might use these screws right here for mounting, so there'll be like a mounting plate of some sort on the back side attaching to the vehicle, and then this would be out in the open where I could get to it. But if I made a mistake, I'll just turn them around, but that's neither here nor there. The last variation I did from the default or the norm, which probably is a mistake, but I did it anyways, is I changed out the 1/4-inch barb that they give you. I changed it out for a 3/8 barb, so I got a 3/8 feeder and a half-inch output. But I was hoping I was going to be a little bit further along than I am, but yeah, it's assembled. I'm going to have to double check my torque on the nuts, and maybe I might be a little bit too tight, so I'm going to have to back off on them and try again. But yeah, I think it's just I think what was difficult with the doing the torque, I was doing the torque by hand, and they're using these the lock nuts, or the nylon inserted nuts on them, and it makes it hard to feel exactly how much torque you're putting on there. So I may have to actually pull them off and try it with a real torque wrench. But I'm liking it so far. It looks pretty. I was hoping I was going to have it put together and be able to fire it up today, but it's getting kind of late, so I don't think I'm going to be able to do it today. So that'll end up being the next video. I think I'm actually going to make well, I think that bubbler I made before is what's going to be. I'm going to try to hook it up with that. I'll have to start with a brand new, fresh, clean solution. And start like that. So if you got any questions, suggestions, comments, feel free to say something. Anyways, this is all I got for right this minute. This is Luther P40 signing off. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch my videos. Take care.